Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today, we're going to be working with a project kit. This is the You Are Amazing project kit. It coordinates with the You Are Amazing stamp set. And I say it coordinates because they don't come together. You do have to purchase them separately. But the kit comes in this cute little box with little starbursts and a foil lid. You get enough supplies in here. This all comes wrapped in plastic. I just opened it up. But you get enough paper supplies and embellishment pieces in here to make 16 cards. You get 4 of each of these designs. And it's an instruction pamphlet. Here's the cards a little closer up. And it shows you the coordinating colors are Bermuda Bay, Flirty Flamingo, Gold, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Pretty Peacock and White. Okay, so you get 16 card bases and 16 printed envelopes. So we're going to make these cards and we're going to go ahead and get started. This is going to be in the new January to June mini catalog for 2021. And we're going to be using the coordinating stamp set. I already have all the pieces out that we're going to need. So let's get started on our first card. This is the first card base we have here. And this card is going to be in the landscape mode. Let's see, let me get some adhesive. And we're just going to start putting this together. We're going to adhere this down flat to the middle of our card base. Try to center it as best you can. And that's what I'm going to do as best I can. Okay. Then we have some Bermuda Bay or Pretty Peacock foil. I'm not sure which one it is. Looks more Bermuda Bay-ish. Kind of dark though. And this is the Mango Melody banner strip we have here. And we're going to stamp in Flirty Flamingo for our sentiment on this one. And we're going to be using You Are Amazing. And I have that here on our block. Let me get this going. Try to line that up. There we go. That looks good. Now let me clean my stamp off because I do need to reuse these blocks. So I need to clean my stamp. I just have my Stampin' Chamois here. I have one of them wet and ready. So we're going to remove this stamp off the block so we can put our next one on for the next one. So that's all we need this ink for. So we're done with that. Okay. The next step is to get some of the twine that is included in the kit. And we're going to tie it around one end of this. And we're just going to probably loop it twice around and then tie a bow. Okay, there we go. Now let me just adjust these tails. Okay, and cut them down. There we go. And then we're gonna just adhere this flat to the card as well. Going to be right across the middle. Okay, and then I am going to pop this up on dimensionals. So let me get some dimensionals. Get our sentiment here. And we're going to pop this up on dimensionals onto the little foil, the foil cutout here, the die cut. Try to put that right in the center there. And then we're gonna just adhere this down flat to the card. Right there. And that is our first card done. And for this card, let's see, we can have one of the envelopes that coordinates with it. Okay. Let's move on to the next card. What do I have up next is this one. Okay, and for this one, we're going to stamp Happy Birthday in Mango Melody. So we're going to get our Happy Birthday stamp. This is such a cute little stamp here. I love the little font, the mixing of the sizes and everything. So we're going to stamp that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Close up our ink. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so let's see. We're going to take our card base. We have a vellum little banner here. And I am going to put some adhesive just right in the middle here. And adhere this down to the center of our card. This card is a portrait card. And we're going to adhere this right across the banner. Just like this. Then we're going to take some dimensionals and pop up our sentiment. Oh my goodness, it's running away from me. Got two more here. Okay. And the last final step for this card is to add some of the twine. Put this right here in the middle. Let's get us a bow. Now I am going off script with this card because I didn't want to use the amount of twine that they use. But when you get your kit, you can make it however you want. You know what? I think I want a double bow. So let's do that. Only thing, try to get my tails to go the same direction. Okay, tighten that knot up, and let's get us some glue dots. These glue dots, like I tell you all the time, these are from all of my previous paper pumpkin kits. And I use these, try to use these before I use my others that I purchased separately. I'm just gonna put a glue dot there and add our bow right here to the top. And that is it for this card, okay? And let's see, we have the envelope for this one, and it's gonna be with the Bermuda Bay printed inside. Really cute. Okay, our next card. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is the next card we have here. And we are going to, what is this one? This one. The bow, the ribbon. We're gonna tie ribbon around this entire piece here. Oh, that's too much. That's way too much. I didn't realize where the end was. Okay, we're gonna tie. Just wrap this around a couple of times. A little more. Get a little more. Because I would need to tie a bow right here. Oop. Guys, I love making kits because they already have all the work done for you. They design them and you just have to put them together. But you could also change it up and add things, take things away to make the kit more your style. But it gives you a starting point. Let's see, how far over do I need this? Let's put it right there. Cut this away. Okay. Then we are going to add this to our card base just like it is. And this is going to be a landscape. So let's add some adhesive to the back here. Get those corners and the edges really good. Okay. This is cute. I love the colors in these cards in this kit. Try to get this straight. Okay. Then we're going to stamp our sentiment, and that is going to be the thanks right here. I love this stamp. The little banners. That is so cute. We're going to stamp this in Granny Apple Green. Let me get my banner here. Oh man, this is so cute. Let me make sure I get this in here. Oh, that is cute. Super cute. Okay, let's see. What's the next step? Oh, we need to put our circles on. So we have these here. They're going to just layer a bit like this. Okay, so we're going to put some glue on the back of this. And just have it kind of like this on here. And we'll glue the both of these down to the card base. Kind of wanting it like that. Okay. Then we're going to get our Stampin' Dimensionals, put it on the back of our sentiment here. And put this on the card. This is cute. I love these stamps. They're so fun. Okay, let's just straddle this about right there. And that's the third card done. So remember, you get 4 of each of these cards. This is cute. I like that. Okay, and the last card. Okay, which one would we put with this one? The envelope. I would put another Bermuda Bay. Yeah. Okay, the last card here. These are all of our pieces. And we are going to start with the gold foil sheet. This is going to be a portrait card. And again, you can change these up however you see fit. And if you love this kit, but you're not too keen on the stamp set, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because this stamp set is gorgeous. It's so fun. You can use any other stamps that you have in your supply that might fit in to the labels that they provide for your sentiments. Okay, we're going to try to get this in the center here of our card. Let me make sure I have it the right way. Okay, that goes there. Then we have some vellum, a vellum banner that we're going to put on. And we're going to tie some twine around this. So we're going to wrap this around a couple of times and tie a bow. Bow tied here. If my fingers would cooperate. There we go. Adjust the tails and the scissors. Whoops. There we go. And push this up to the top. I want to separate my ribbon so that you can see it's been wrapped more than once. Okay, we're going to adhere this to the card using liquid glue right over the gold. Probably should have used glue dots on this, but that's okay. Our other part, our sentiment layer, will hold that down. Okay, so we have our sentiment layer here that we are going to stamp in Pretty Peacock, and that is going to say, hip hip hooray, there's 3 cheers for you. Okay, let's clean off our stamp here so I can use this block. Take that off. There's this. I'm telling you guys, these stamps are so cute. I can't wait to make more cards with this. Some alternate cards that do not come in the kit, or make some alternate cards with the items that are in the kit. Let's see, move that out of the way. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Let's turn that over. Get our dimensionals down. One more. Come on. And try to center this as best I can on this foil label, this scalloped rectangle. Ooh, this is what I do first. I do it this way and check how much should be there. So when I flip it over, I'll know about where I need to be putting it. There we go, that looks good. Now we're gonna adhere this down to the base of the card over our vellum banner. This will help hold it down as well. So we're just gonna put that right here. Try to get that straight. And that is the 4th card done. And we'll pair this with one of the Mango Melody envelopes. So let's bring in the other 3 cards. Move all of our junk out of the way so you can get a good look. These are all the cards here for the, what is it? You Are Amazing project kit. Okay, aren't they cute? I love these colors. They're so happy. These are some very happy colors. That is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.